welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, I'm Navneet. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a very simple skincare routine which I'm following these days. So actually, my skin is acting really weird because I'm getting a lot of dryness around my mouth. So dryness matlab ki aage jaake pigmentation ho sakti hai, which I'm very skeptical about and very scared about as well. So what I have done is I've cut down on all the skin actives. I'm not using any actives on my skin right now, which I am going to continue for another week or so, and after that I'll see if my skin is acting a little better. I'll continue with the actives, but for now for another 1 week or so, I'm going to stick to a very basic skincare routine, and that's what I'm going to share with you in today's video. So this skincare routine I'm sharing is something that can be followed by anybody, no matter what skin type you are. If you have dry, combination, sensitive, acne prone, any type of skin type you have, you can use this skincare routine just to give your skin a little break from the using too many products on your face. So this is going to be it. So without further ado, let's start with today's video. So first and foremost, let's start with a cleanser. Now cleansers are super important. Most of the people prefer using anything they get for their face. They think that only moisturizers and skin actives will do their work, but cleansers also play a very important role. Now cleanser ki duty kya hoti hai? To take care of any gunk or build-up or oil, excessive oil, sebum production, usko remove karta hai. Any product, sunscreen, makeup products you have leftovers on your skin, usko remove karta hai. Basically it prepares your skin to accept the products you're going to apply next, so that unki seepage, unki absorption is better. So cleansers are very important, and market mein there are very less options available for sensitive skin type. So the one that I'm using right now is by Dermaco. This is the new launch and I've been loving this. So this basically is the 2% niacinamide oily skin cleanser. Now they have launched 2 variants in this. I guess one is for dry skin and one is for combination oily skin. The one that I have is of course for combination oily skin, and the basic major ingredients of these face washes are 2% niacinamide and cica extract. The oily combination type contains salicylic acid additionally, and the dry skin, I think the dry type contains ceramides. So what niacinamide does, it's a potent agent that enhances the protective function of your skin's barrier. Cica extract is known for moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties that soothes the skin irritation, and ceramide complex, which is there in the dry cleanser, it basically gives you moisturization and prevents dryness. Whereas the one that I have, it has salicylic acid, it has a PHA basically, which targets open pores, acne breakouts and blackheads. That I have is for oily combination skin and has a gel based consistency, whereas the other one, which is for dry skin types, there has a cream based creamy consistency. So this is perfect for people with oily combination skin, and those who have sensitive skin can prefer this. Dermaco's 2% niacinamide skin cleanser range is a true savior. It is a 100% soap free cleanser that offers a gentle yet effective solution to remove oil, dirt and other impurities, while ensuring that your skin remains well hydrated, and it also protects your skin barrier thanks to its gentle cleansing properties and non-oil stripping action. Second step after the cleanser is a toner. I prefer rose water because that's what I love, because rose water are very gentle on your skin. They just take care of the skin pH, balances the skin pH and makes your skin ready to accept any product that you'll be applying next. The toners that are my absolute favorite are the one by Blush Penny Organics and also the Natural Wash. So these are steam distilled rose waters. That's what I prefer. They do not have any preservatives and they're very gentle on your skin. And the one that is one by the Blush Penny Organics, it also has sandalwood in addition to the rose water. So it has additional benefits. It has antibacterial properties as well. I love the rose water because not only do they have toning properties for your skin, but they also provide instant refreshment to your skin, which I absolutely love. And of course the fragrance is amazing. Toner is done. The next step that I like to do is use an essence, and this one is the world famous Cosrx Snail Mucin essence. Now snail mucin is well known for its antioxidant properties, moisture rich hair. It's going to flood your skin with moisture, with plumpness, with fullness. So it is going to give you that supple, wrinkle-free skin. It also fights premature aging because of its properties. And I recently started using it. I've already used it for more than a month and I have not even reached this much. So it's little bit, you need just 2 to 3 pumps of this one and you are done, and it is going to last you forever because the consistency is such, you don't need much, and it's very much an investment, little costly but total investment. You have to try this one. As I've told you, my skin is acting a little weird, so I want to go ahead and give it a little more moisturization. So I'm going to go ahead with another moisturizer. This is by Neutrogena. This is their Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. Again, it's a gel based moisturizer. It's not going to be sticky or oily or just sitting on the skin. It gets absorbed super quickly into the skin, but again gives me additional moisturization, which I absolutely need. Now you must be thinking that I have combination skin, I have an oily T-zone, why am I layering moisturizer again? That is because of the change in season, and with age, with climate, with weather, your skin also changes. अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है, हमेशा ऑयली नहीं रहेगी, ड्राई है तो हमेशा ड्राई नहीं रहेगी, और कॉम्बिनेशन है, हमेशा कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं रहेगी. With change in season, with change in weather, with change in surroundings, your skin also changes. उसका skin type can change. It does not remain static. So you have to make sure that you use products according to what your skin is telling you. So have a look at it, consider what your skin needs, requires, and accordingly form a skin routine for yourself. Last and final step has to be a sunscreen, because sunscreen during the daytime is most important. The one that I'm using is the Dermaco. It's the 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. I've been using it since years. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it for any skin type. No matter what skin type you are, you'll love this one. It's non-greasy, it's non-oily, it gets absorbed super quickly into the skin, does not leave any white cast, has an SPF of 50 with PA++++ protection. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen which is going to protect your skin against both UVA, UVB rays and also against the blue light. So wholesome sunscreen hai, so absolutely love this. And sunscreen is basically going to prevent premature skin aging. It's going to help my skin not get pigmented, because as I've told you, मेरी dryness है, और dryness जब भी heal होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा dryness है, तो pigmentation के chances बहुत increase हो जाते हैं. तो मैं नहीं चाहती मुझे pigmentation हो, so इसलिए moisturization and sunscreen is the steps that I'm following religiously. एक एडिशनल स्टेप मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ, which is this one. This is the Avene Thermal Spring Water. Absolutely love this one. अगर आपकी sensitive skin है, अगर आपको कुछ भी सूट नहीं करता, रोज वाटर नहीं लगाना, आपको कुछ नहीं लगाना, try this one. It's so refreshing and it's perfect for use by anybody. Safe for even children, इतना safe है. So अगर आपकी कैसी भी, जितनी भी sensitive skin है, आपको कुछ नहीं सूट कर रहा, this is something that you can definitely try. It's not only going to soothe your rashes, itchiness, sunburn, किसी भी तरह आप यूज कर सकते हो for soothing and refreshing yourself. So this is what I always use. It's magic in a bottle. That was it. I hope the video was helpful. That was my simple skincare routine that I'm following these days to help my skin recover from the change in weather. And yes, I hope you found the video helpful. If you want to purchase any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, all the links would be in the description. Other than that, if you want to purchase the Dermaco products, I have a coupon code for you which you can use to get additional 20% discount on the Dermaco website, which is Navneet 2023. Also, Dermaco products are completely fragrance free, so completely safe to be used by people who are sensitive to fragrance as well. Also, Dermaco has empowered 10,000 plus students this year as a part of the Young Scientist Initiative, and whenever you purchase anything from Dermaco, they are going to link your order to a child. They are going to educate along with Bhumi. So that's it. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in next video super soon. Bye guys.